Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. On my right hand, this is a new product we're going to introduce. Now let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit is about like a 48 inches long. And the depth of the unit is about like a 28.5 inches deep. And the overall height is about like a 15 inches. So this one is countertop style in the griddles. And we do have a 4 adjustable legs at the bottoms. And coming from, they have a 4 individual switches for controlling the temperatures. And they also have a windows on site to helping the customer to indicate the inside of the lighters. And also they do having the 2 of the drain, the place for the dirt on the surface to clean. And also have a drawer at the bottoms to collect all of those. And you can pull it out to clean it. And for the cooking pan area, it is about like a 20.5 inches deep and about like almost like a 48 inches long. For the thickness of the griddle pan, it's about like a 7 and 8 inches total. And also on the side of the units, they come in with the SA sanitation stickers and the manufacturer informations. And from the behinds, they're having a small connection. The pads connections will be 2 and 1/4 inches deep. And also they have accessories, there's regulators from the manufacturers. And this will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.